Calcutta, 6th January, 1964, full stop. The Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, New Delhi, full stop. Sir, I have the honor to state that with the dawn of freedom in the country, the Government of India have been giving more and more attention to the development of Indian industries, particularly the iron and steel industry, full stop. Though this industry has received a considerable help during the two world wars, it is still very backward and not in a position to meet the requirements to the country, full stop. As yet there are only a few iron and steel works in the country, full stop. Next para, various reasons account for the slow growth of the industry, full stop. In the first place, the resources, both mineral and others have neither been properly tapped nor fully used, full stop. Large quantities of ore deposits exist in the country, full stop. The average Indian industrialist is timid and shy to invest his capital, full stop. He looks too much to government for giving him all sorts of help and support, full stop. Moreover, the industry does not make use of modern methods and latest plant, with the result that the production is low and of a poor quality, full stop. To my mind, one of the urgent tasks is to encourage private enterprise so that a vast amount of capital shall become available, full stop. For this purpose, steps should be taken for establishing contact with the business people of the country who are willing to invest sufficient capital, full stop. Yours faithfully,